Hello students, this is biobotany class by Mini. So today's topic is reproduction in yeast. Reproduction in yeast, as you see, the first one is a vegetative. There is two kind of reproduction, vegetative and sexual. How sexual? I'll tell you in next video. And now the first is vegetative reproduction. The vegetative reproduction is done by the three process. The first one is by budding, number two by fission, number three by endospore. So now the first is by budding process. How yeast formed? So as you can see in the complete diagram, the one parental cell divide into two daughter cell. So first condition is in favorable condition, the cell start growing from the upper side, which formed a bud-like structure. So this portion is called bud-like. As the bud is growing, as the bud is growth, and the protoplasm start splitting. It means the nucleus start splitting, the cytoplasm start splitting, and after they separate from the another cell. It means they separate from their parental cell. It formed with the parental cell and then it will be separate. As after it is separating, it's called complete. So one cell is parental cell and other cell is bud cell. It means, and there is a scale-like structure, and that is called, in the parental cell, that is called convex scale, and the bud portion where is the scale, and that point is called concave scale, SCAR. Number two is by the fission process. By fission process, although same as by the budding process, in the fission, but difference is that the one cell is divided into two further daughter cells, which is called, one will be parental cell and another will be daughter cell. So by fission is same as like by budding process, and the by endospore it's little different. In endospore, cell divide. One more thing I'm missing here. Sometimes it forms. Sometimes this bud is not separate from the another cell. Sometimes it's joined with the another cell, and then it formed chain-like structure. This kind of chain I show you in the yeast diagram. The yeast diagram, you can see the chain-like structure, which is called pseudomycelium. Pseudomycelium. Okay, so when it separate, it formed bud, or when it not separate, it formed chain-like structure, which is called pseudomycelium. And now number third is by endospore. Endospore mainly it start in unfavorable condition. It's a thick walled endosperm. It means when protoplasm divide into four parts. Protoplasm divide into four parts, and each part is thick. Each part will be thick surrounded by a thick wall, which is called endospores. And after the in the favorable condition, cell start budding, and this process again start, then form bud and formed yeast. It means Saccharomyces.